Do you know what? Coming to think of it, why didn't Adidas stick to the original sizing chart? I thought they got it right, but why didn't they just include those half sizes? Let's talk about it. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. So I'm back again with another unboxing and experience. So if you're new along here, please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Please make sure to hit that notification bell and stay up to date with any of my content. And on this channel, we tend to review a variety of sneakers, and I also like to share some of these experiences with yourselves. Those mostly being of Nike branding and of my favourite pairs. I do tend to throw the odd pair on here, but they're mainly of Nike branding. Without going on any further, let's continue on with this video. So in this video, I'll be talking about a Yeezy slide, which I managed to cop on the third time round. I got the Onyx colourways on two separate occasions and actually went into a bit of depth in regards to sizing. Now, I did make a few assumptions in those videos. Please do make sure to go check them out. If you do have any concerns in regards to sizing, I have actually gone through the sizing process in that review. So please do make sure to check that out. So what I'll do in this video, we'll start off this video by looking at the box and packaging. We'll then talk about the actual slide itself. I'll talk about availability. So with all that out of the way, let's continue on this video by looking at the box and packaging. Right, so there's nothing out of the ordinary in this box. We have a standard Yeezy slide box, and it's of that same pull draw style box. And if we go ahead and quickly look at the box label, and the box label reads Yeezy slide, US size 7, UK size 7, and the colourway Flax. Now that's a quick look at the box label for you if you're out there buying a pair, or you're getting a pair off someone privately, so you can have a little legit check on the actual label itself. And I will flip it around. It is of that same sort of branding, so you do have that Yeezy slide made by Adidas on the opposite side of the box. Right, so if we just slide this back, we then reveal some packaging. It is that same standard Yeezy packaging. Right, so if we just go ahead and peel back the packaging, we then have the kit. Right, so in hand, here is your first look on this channel, the Yeezy slide in the Flax colourway. Right, so I hope to keep this video short and sweet. I have done two previous reviews, and I do believe I have actually got the sizing correct this third time round. Like I'd mentioned in the beginning of the video, I do believe still should have stuck half sizes. Now, I'm actually saying that because this is a size 7, and I did say in my last two videos that I believe that they got the sizing correct. Now, they actually have, in my opinion, what they've done in this 2022 release is they just don't come in half sizes any longer. From my experience, I just want to put it out that they have actually nailed the sizing. These actually fit just right, but I have to put that argument in where I still believe they should have done half sizes. I went for a size 8 on the first time, where you had to size up sort of a full size. So I did a full size on that. It was of that Onyx colourway and it didn't fit me, so that went back. A couple of months down the line, I then managed to cop a second pair of the Onyx colourway, and on that occasion I went for a size 6. I don't know why, to be honest, because I should have actually gone for my true to size, which is in slippers or slides, which is a size 7. So I went for the size 6, hoping that it will fit me, or it'll be sort of just a perfect fit on me. Same thing again, it didn't fit me, and the third time round I've gone and I've smashed a pair of these Flax colourway slides. So I can honestly say with full confidence that they do have the sizing correct from my experience. Now, when it comes to slides, I am a size 7, so I did actually go for the size 7 on this occasion. Now, everyone's feet aren't the same. Everyone tends to vary in sort of shape and size. I do have quite slim feet. These fit me perfect, but like I said, I don't know why they didn't just do the half sizes as well, because everyone was moaning that they didn't have the sizing correct, but they actually corrected them on this occasion. But what they did, they stopped doing the half sizes. So I still believe they should have still done the half sizes, because this literally fits me perfect. I mean, I've got no complaints. Anything bigger, to be honest, in my opinion, just looks daft on my feet. It just looks big and bulky. You know, just going by my old body and that, it just doesn't look right. And these fit perfect. I do stress this point though, they should have actually gone with the half sizes also. The Onyx colourway would have been the best suited for my preference, but it is what it is. I managed these Flax pairs and they're a really nice earthy colourway and they are absolutely gorgeous. So I'll just give you a little 360 on it. So it's nothing out of your ordinary. It's the same slides that we've been having over the years, and I do believe actually they have updated the mold within these. Do consider, from my experience, and if you do actually have sort of wider feet, I would recommend going sort of a full size up. I would have said half size, and in my opinion, I believe that would have been perfect, but they don't do them no more. Otherwise, comparing them with my feet, like I said, I have slim feet and I went for true to size, and these fit me perfect. So if I just talk about the actual colourway itself, I'll give you a little 360 on it. It's nothing out of the ordinary. I did mention in my last video that we won't be getting any more sort of colourways this year, and I do apologise on that note. It wasn't actually from a reliable source, but I did believe, because they are doing so well, I believe that Kanye didn't have to come out with any more colours. Other than that, talking about the actual availability, these did go out on the 26th of August via raffle. They went on a number of platforms, and if we go on and actually talk about resale, they are a bit over your retail, so you're talking a good £20 to £40 depending on size over retail. Right, so I'm about to end this video. I appreciate you sticking around, I appreciate your support. I will do an on foot at the end of this video, just to show you how they actually look on foot. And do take anything I said in this video with a pinch of salt, because when it comes to Yeezys, man, I don't know what to say. I think no one's actually sussed out the sizing on this properly. I don't think Kanye has even, to be honest. So do consider anything I say in regards to this slide, but from my experience, third time round, I believe that this is my true to size. Right, so I'm about to end this video. I appreciate you sticking around, I appreciate your support, and if you're new along here, please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Please make sure to check out some of my old content by all means, and get some idea of what kind of sneakers we look at. And with all that out of the way, I hope to catch you on my next video.